right now.
Oh, wow.
We can't get the can.
I'm trying to get home. Yes. Oh, I'm constipated.
We can't get the can out of the hole.
It's not fucking working. Stop! Okay, I'll pull really hard, okay? Don't make fun of me!
Okay, go!
Shut up! I'm trying to do it! It's not working. It was working!
Okay, thank you. Okay, someone else's turn.
Hold on. Ugh.